Okay, so I want to talk through signatures in Outlook, and I use these when I want to send a standard message back to seller or customer. If you open up, what I have here is a new email, and along the toolbar here you'll see a signature drop down. So this is the easiest way to get into them, also to create them. So just open up a new email. If you hit signature, I have a lot of them over the years. At the very bottom is the menu to get into them. But for an example, I have qualification follow-up for KeepStock.org. So once I have a call with a customer, I just pick this one, and it has all my information, and it has me write a standard email to the customer as a follow-up. So that way I don't have to retype it. I just change whatever information, customer's name, seller's name, and then I have a standard response back. In this case, a qualification call. I have my standard signature. If there's a labor-only request, I have different scenarios that I can create. So the way you create these, so you want to start fresh, and you have a new one you want to create. Maybe it's typed up somewhere in an email. You copy that text from the email. You're going to scroll down on the signature and scroll to the very bottom. You probably won't have to scroll if you don't have a lot of signatures. When you open up the signatures menu, it gives you a list of all the ones that you currently have, and you can just create new. And then you type a name. I'll just call this one test. And then whatever it is you want in it, you just copy the words in there. And then maybe you're cutting and pasting from an email that you sent out previously. And you just hit save. And it will save it in the listing here. So we call this one test. So I'll hit OK. So now when you go back to your signatures, you can scroll down to the test, select it, and it's going to change it to whatever information you have in the signature. So again, I use this to communicate standard messages that I want to respond with, so I don't have to retype an entire email.